Here's Charlie and Alfie. Alfie's first time outside in the grass. And he is loving it, playing with his mama. Come on, Charlie, be nice. Let him run. There you go. He's fast. There goes Bunny running fast. We've got a bunny, a puppy, and a dog. Charlie, say hi. Say hi, Charlie. There they go. They love playing tag. They do this in the house too, but they don't have as much room to run. Alfie. Alfie. Alfie dog. Come here, Alfie. Hi, Charlie. There's Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Alfie. Go, go, go. What do you smell? What do you smell? What is it, boy? What is it, Mama? Charlie. What is it? You better not be eating no poop, girl. Come on, Charlie. Get away from the dirt. Charlie, enough. Come on. Charlie.